Hey, what's up guys, on this one we're going to actually start on how we can actually be able to invest on to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is one of the biggest assets you can actually find at the moment, but you have to actually understand this, as I'm going to at least put a little bit of a warning onto it. I am no financial advisor. Everything I do is just purely educational videos. You can actually learn on this channel so that you can actually be able to be aware of what's going on in around yourself. So what I am going to do on this one, guys, I just want to be able to get on to how you can actually be able to invest on Bitcoin. So these are few stuff you can actually understand on how to be able to invest in Bitcoin. So in the last 12 years, Bitcoin has outperformed gold, silver, and S&P 500. So if you have invested in Bitcoin in around 2020, when it was around somewhere there around 100,000, guys, as of it now it's around 500,000. You would have made a lot of money, guys. So that's one of the great things about Bitcoin, but it's not always like that. It can go up, it can go down, but it hasn't go down to zero where it started. Each and every year it goes up, each and every time it goes up. So if you can actually track it from a span of 1 year, you will actually realize that this asset is ever growing. It's ever growing. So guys, it's one of the great things you can actually put your money on to it right now. So if you can actually understand that it actually outperformed those even stocks over 200% for the investors, right? So even Citibank has actually acknowledged that it is one of those growing assets. So even JP Morgan is one of the guys that you can actually look and actually come on and invest on that guy and actually try to understand what he really knows when it comes into the finance of the stuff. Even there's this company called MicroStrategy has put it 480 million into Bitcoin, guys. Even PayPal has some of this stuff has not been able to Bitcoin. Even Square, the founder of Twitter, the Square is a company which it was founded by this guy, by the founder of Twitter, is already affiliated with Bitcoin. There's lots going on around the Bitcoin spaces, guys. So actually come on and at least learn a bit of how Bitcoin is doing at this moment, guys. So how you can actually buy Bitcoin. So I have some few stuff you can actually check on how you can actually buy Bitcoin. So what you actually need to have, if you're in America, you will need a Coinbase wallet. So a Coinbase wallet is one of the easiest ones you have. Unfortunately, I don't have a link for that one into the description, but if you actually go on and search onto Google, you will actually find out what is Coinbase, and you will actually be able to just download that app and be able to sign up, and then actually start to be able to use that one. And if you were just in around the world, if that one doesn't work for you, you can actually look out Binance. That Binance I have on this video on the description below. You can actually go down and actually start to download Binance so that you can use. So Binance is very friendly user. You can actually use your debit card onto it. You can use a credit card. You can actually buy with those straight from your bank. Just buy straight into Binance. So it's very easy for you to use, and if you're in South Africa or at least in Africa, you can actually use Luno. It's a very big exchanges that we use into Africa. That one you actually just be able to buy your crypto with it, so that you can actually be able to start trading. You can be the guy who actually just buy and hold, or you can be a daily trader. Those are the videos I can actually be going to go into depth with it, so that you can actually understand what I mean when I am saying that. Or you can actually look up altcoin trader. Even that one is one of the South African exchanges, or at least you can use around Africa, even though in some of the places it's a little bit been banned, some, but we're hoping that in some years to come the authorities will come on to board and actually start to understand what is crypto. But you can actually use stuff, it's called P2P, peer-to-peer, which is called, you can go on and look up on Paxful. Paxful is just you actually buy crypto from a person, or person to person, or peer to peer. You don't actually need exactly a wallet for that, but you actually have to sign up onto an exchange called Paxful. So Paxful is the one you can actually go on to there and be the one who actually sell those bitcoins or ethereum or anything that you have onto your possession. You can actually sell those by yourself, and then you can actually be able to make some money on as like that, guys. So that's what you actually be able to do on to that's how you can be able to invest onto Bitcoin, guys. So I hope you actually this video has been very helpful to you. So if it's like that, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and if